If you truly desire something in this life, it will come to you only after great patience and effort, so that you may understand its true value. And sometimes, no matter how much you want something, it won't be destined for you because it may actually be harmful. No matter how hard you try, you simply cannot attain it. The secret to a long and blessed life is to be a person of good deeds and pure intentions. When you live this way, your heart and body remain calm and at peace. In such a state, there is no room for stress or tension. Only then can both the body and soul truly be healthy. Sometimes we work and strive so hard for something, yet we still can't attain it. It gets delayed, and time keeps passing. We grow tired along the way. In those moments, imagine this in your mind. Let's say I've already achieved it. I've earned it, and it's mine. Let that thought bring you peace and keep going forward. But don't stop putting in the effort and fighting for it. You'll see, one day, that very thing will become a reality in your life. There are many things we can perceive and understand with our physical eyes, but there are deeper truths, hidden realities, that we as human beings are responsible for recognizing and comprehending. These are the unseen truths existing behind the veil, and the eye that perceives them is called the eye of the heart. For this inner vision to awaken, the heart must be purified and filled with light. To achieve that, we must struggle against the desires of the ego and learn to say no to sin. Only then will the intellect rise and reach its true potential. There are people in this world with whom Allah speaks. Yes, Allah speaks. It's one thing for a servant to speak to Allah, but it's something far greater when Allah speaks to His creation. That's why no one should ever harm another person's heart, because we may be in the presence of Allah's most beloved servants. These are people whose intuitions come true, whose words carry divine weight. What they say flows as if from the words of God Himself. Reaching such a station is only possible through Allah's grace. Even those who commit the gravest sins in this world never lose hope in Allah, because we know we are human. At times, we show weakness and we surrender to our flaws, but we also know well that we have no one besides Allah, and that He is all-powerful and most forgiving. That's why we turn to Him. If a person, after sinning, becomes aware of their sin and sincerely realizes their mistake, then there is still salvation for them. There is hope. For them, there is a path to be saved.